Let's start with user authentication, the feature that turns this from a demo into a real app. Right now, anyone who opens your app sees the same thing. There's no way for someone to create an account, log in, or have their own personalized experience. Authentication is what changes that. It's the system that lets users sign up, log in, and have their own data, so one person's information stays separate from everyone else's. It's what makes an app feel like their app, not just a website. And one of the things that makes vibe coding platforms different from using something like ChatGPT is that this kind of feature is built in. You don't need to set up a separate authentication service or figure out how to store passwords securely. You just turn it on. In the Base44 editor, click the Dashboard tab in the top toolbar. Then click Settings to expand it, and then click Authentication. Here you can see Base44 gives you a set of authentication methods you can toggle on. The simplest is email and password. Your users create an account, set a password, and log in. But you can also enable social login with Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Apple. I'm just going to keep on email and password and Google because those cover the vast majority of users. Authentication methods are available, but we still need to add the pages where users can sign up and log into our app. Let's go back to the chat and do that. I'll click Preview, and then in the chat we'll say, add sign up and login pages so users can create and manage their own accounts. Also add a log out button that shows up in the upper right for anyone who is logged in, and make it a sign up/login button when they're logged out. We'll submit the prompt. And when it's done, you can see that Base44 just set up a full authentication system. There's a log out button in the upper right. After I click it, we get a login page. I'll go ahead and log in. Now we're logged back in. We have a full authentication system, secure password storage, session management, the login and sign up pages, all from a couple of toggles and a single prompt. If you were doing this with traditional coding, this alone could take days. You can also set up different access levels. Under the dashboard, you can click Users, and you see my role right here is set to Admin. Admin users can see everything, and then regular users can only see their own data. Base44 handles this through something called row-level security. You don't need to understand the technical details right now, just tell the AI what each type of user should see, and it will set it up. I know it might seem like a lot is happening behind the scenes, but the whole point is you don't need to understand all of it right now. The platform handles it. Use the link on screen, or click the first link in the description below to start vibe coding for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.